Hello my loves, welcome back. So I just finished washing my hair. I used the Aphogee Keratin and green tea shampoo, which is sulfate free and color safe, to wash my hair. After which I went ahead to deep condition my hair using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Max, which contains shea butter, peppermint and apple cider vinegar. So after rinsing out the hair, I'll go ahead and put my hair in smaller sections. I'll just try to make the pattern very neat because I may have to wear the hair out the way it is. After that, I'll be going in with a leave-in conditioner from Nature's Gentle Touch Herbal Blend Intensive Leave-in Conditioner, which helps in rebuilding damaged hair and repairing split ends. Next, I'll be going in with my Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream, which contains shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil. This will help in moisturizing and defining my curls. It is silicone free, so it is very safe for a natural hair. Next, I'll be going in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil to seal in all the other products so that the hair will stay moisturized longer. And finally, I'll be going in with this Kuza hair grease. It is 100% Indian hemp for hair and scalp treatment. I'll be using this just for my ends to keep my ends moisturized longer. You know, the ends are our longest, our oldest part of the hair and are prone to breakage. So I'm doing everything possible to make sure the ends are moisturized to minimize the breakage. After which I'll just comb through making sure that there are no knots, the hair is thoroughly detangled. Then what I'm doing here now is optional. I'm using a rubber band because I want the hair to lay flat. I don't want a puffy root. So I'll just go ahead and twist the hair when I'm done with this. If you're not comfortable with using rubber bands, you can braid your roots. You can do like 3 braids before you switch to twists. And I must say that it is not compulsory to twist the hair after the moisture treatment. You can just braid it. You can do the African threading method. So here I'm just combing out the ends because I don't want any knots or tangles. So I want the twisting to be very smooth to the end. So like I was saying, if you don't like twisting, you can go ahead and braid your hair. You can also do African threading, whatever works for you. So I'm just, for this week, I just want to do the twists, and this is the hair I'll be carrying for some days. Maybe after a day or two, I'll go ahead and take off the twist and carry the hair like that, the twist out. So this is why I use this method today. So I'm going to repeat the same process on my entire head. But why do we have to go through all the stress of doing all this? Is it that really important? The answer is yes. It is really important to take care of your hair if you want a longer hair. And if you go to my old videos I posted like 3 months ago, the first natural hair video I posted, you'll see how my hair was, and you can compare it to the present condition of my hair. My hair has really improved. So taking care of the hair is very important if you want a healthy hair, and also if you want to retain your length. You know, our hair grows. Other people complain that their hair is not growing, which in fact is not true. The hair grows, but If you don't take care of your hair, you don't moisturize your hair properly, the ends tends to break and you will not be able to see any difference in your length, and it will look as if your hair is not growing when in truth your hair is growing. I have been there, I've seen these things, I've experienced these things. After I started taking proper care of my hair, I noticed that my hair is healthier and longer. So you just keep trying until you are able to know what works for you. You do not have to use the exact product that another person is using. You can try. If it does not work for you, you can switch to another product. I am still trying different products. I've used several products, and the ones that do not work for me, I stop using them and I do not buy them again. So that is just how it is. But taking care of the hair is very important. So do not forget to moisturize your hair, wash your hair properly, and always take care of your ends. It is very important to take care of your ends. If you want a longer hair, your ends should be your priority. If you are applying products on your hair, make sure you apply more of that product on your ends so that it will stay moisturized for longer. So I'll just go ahead and finish the rest of the hair and I'll come back to show you the final results. So here I'm back. I'm done with the entire head and I'm ready to step out. So I will be going out like this, but before then I will put the hair in 2 sections and allow it dry. But once the hair is dry, I'll just try different ways to style it. If it doesn't work, I'll carry it for a few more days before converting it to a twist out, which I will carry until my next wash day. So my loves, remember to drop a comment in the comment section, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are yet to do so. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.